Hi, Natural Beauty babes. So it's the next day again. I was supposed I was supposed to see you guys yesterday after wrapping these up, but I'm a mom, okay? I get busy. And yeah. Yes, why are you checking to see if I'm here? Because you want more snacks? Get you some chips if that's what you want. Yeah, I'm still here for a few minutes. Telling me still got me for like 10 minutes. But as you see, I'm a mom. As a mamas. And you know, my family needs me. But anyway, I'm just about to put some moisturizer on my face because I just got out the shower. And it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been through a full day of mothering that I ain't even take a shower till just now. So judge me if you want to, because some of y'all do it too. I've been at home all day. But anyway, so I thought it was gonna be all like real cute and stuff. See, look, that's from yesterday. I just took it out today. I redid this one. But you know, don't get discouraged about your hair. Let me show y'all the back of my head. Nice little afro. But don't get discouraged about your hair, beauty babes, because it's just hair. It's gonna take practice. It's gonna take work. Look at that popping! I'm gonna have to do it again for y'all, cause these is popping up here. They popping now. They wanna pop now that the rest of my hair look a mess. But I'm about to show you how I'm gonna style it for today. Okay. I'm gonna even leave this in. So I got some bobby pins here, and I have these little head wraps. It's like a what they call them? Continuous? No, that's not what they call them. But whatever, I got 2 of these. This one fits tighter and it stretches better. And then this one's gonna go on top because I got on green and black today. So, I'll pop on some earrings. Just some little hoops, cause hoops go with everything. And forgive me if it's a little loud down here. I'm in my basement. So the air is on. So y'all know how that go. Furnace pumping. Pumping that fresh air. But I am going to put all of this up like so. Hold on. Let me put these on my head first. Okay. I just need to put a few little bobby pins in there, and really you don't, because your scarf is supposed to hold all your hair up. Go upstairs. Go to your cage. See, the dog be down here. He be doing stuff he ain't got no business doing, and stuff, sniffing around. And my stuff, it's my stuff down here. So you go into your cage where it's open. You go sit down. Go sit down somewhere. Sit down. Okay. So it's holding it up for me, right? And put this right here. Like so, like that, like my auntie Tab say. My auntie Tab say. And y'all can just wear your hair like this if you want. But I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. You got to fluff this out. I don't know where my pick is. I think one of my kids saw my pick. And because I have on black, like I said, y'all, the black one is gonna go on top of this one. And I'll take this little piece right here and I'll twist it. And I'll tuck it. You just cover that up. Just fluff that out. Here, I got a comb right here. See, look at that. Some of this you can just tuck. Just tuck that. Just tuck it like that. So it looks round. And then you just let these pop. Let them do what they're gonna do. Because them was the cute ones, remember? And the ones we just redid yesterday. I'm gonna tuck these back like that. That's how I'm wearing my hair today. Y'all know I don't care about edges. When you are a natural girl, it's okay to not have slicked edges all the time. Like, that's stupid. My hair don't naturally slick, so let it do what it's going to do. And yeah, that's the end of this video. So until next time, guys, I love you. I love you. And I want to see more of your faces, okay? Because you're going to see more of this one, okay? Let me see. I ain't got no lip gloss down here. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some lip gloss on, but love you. Bye. What's up, family? So I just watched that little video I did when I put my hair up, right? And the angles suck. Oh my God, y'all can't even see the top of my puff, but I hope that you got the gist. I'm sitting here driving, so I gotta keep my eyes on the road. But I hope you guys got the gist of what this little style is supposed to be, because my camera angles suck. I need to be able to see myself when I'm recording. It's time to upgrade the camera. It's time to upgrade, y'all. But anyway, this is, I hope this is, let me see. Is that a better angle? I mean, I was cute anyway. I mean, y'all can see my face, but y'all really couldn't see my hair. I'm stopping. See, I'm at a complete stop. Look at that. That's dirty. I feel dirty, y'all. There it is. Better. So, I'm going to try to insert some of this. Maybe it'll be at the end. Some bloopers or something. I don't know. I just wanted y'all to see how I do be wrapping my hair at the end of my twist outs or whatever. So, this is usually how I wear it for a few days. It'll be today like this. It'll probably be tomorrow like tomorrow. I'm gonna pull this up out the way because that's kind of cute. Like that little bum bump right there. Like so, like that, like Auntie Tab say. Cause that's your business, Auntie Tab. Anyway, I'm out, y'all. I love you. Again, bye. Okay, guys. It's a few hours late. I changed the angle a little bit. So, I wanted to come to y'all because earlier when I tried to record my hair, right, y'all seen me putting the thing on. It was a lot of noise. Like, I have 4 children, a dog, a wonderful husband, but sometimes they be messing up my little bitty videos. Like, sometimes they be messing up the feng shui of things, you know? So, back to center place, my happy place, which is hair. Here I am. So, this is what it looked like. And I think all I've had to do was just adjust this little... Man, I hope this camera angle is... Well, I'm going to be upset again because I've been trying to record this video all day. Really, since 3 days ago, but... Okay. Okay. Don't judge my BBs on the back of my neck or my edges that I don't want to lay, because everybody don't have to have laid edges. My hair is cute, thanks. So get over it. You turn the other way. And my legs are long. If I had more room, I could spin all the way, but a little tight down here. But, you know, it's not always going to be like this. I'm going to have room to just be like, spinning in circles, big old circles in my socks, just sliding through the living room like, psh, psh, ain't nobody here, just playing and kicking it. But anyway, it's a whole nother story. But hey, a come up is coming, okay? But so tomorrow, I'm gonna do something else tomorrow, because at this point of my Bantu knot out, twist out, curl out, you gotta do something every day to your hair. So I hope you like what I have today and come back tomorrow for something new. All right. But today is gonna be in my face like this, cause Auntie Tab said that's my business. So peace out.